So the onion family is one of the last of the families that we're going to be looking at. And this one is a very important family. In fact, the onion family, every cuisine and culture uses onions in their cooking. So we need to have our children happy to eat plants in the onion family. And the reason why often we don't is because of the sulfur. So onions have that very distinctive aroma, and of course, no more so than, say, the garlic. So in the onion family, we have our onion. And our onion is one of those ones where we might plant the seed in the ground and we think that it's a root, but really it's a top type of vegetable. And we are eating the leaves. So a common onion is an excellent choice for our children to be looking and examining what an onion looks like. In the same family, we have the leeks, and these are the tall guys, skinny, with a distinct aroma of leek, and think potato leek soup. The next one in this family are all of our bunching onions, or green onions as they call them, and we're eating the leaves and part of the stem, of course. And then the big one in this onion family is our garlic, and garlic has grown all the way around the world, and we are still eating the leaves, because when we take apart a garlic, these are leaves with a tiny little stem and root down here. So we're eating primarily leaves in our onion family. So I encourage you to give, in particular, the green onions, which are the mildest for our children to start to eat. But if they're up to it, they could eat part of the leek, and they can certainly eat part of the onion if they choose. But I would recommend that you don't give them fresh garlic to eat. It will cause them to cry.